So today we're putting on a NM Engineering strut brace. As you can see, I've taken out all the parts out, ready to work on it. We have to fit these brackets on either side. So this is for the left. I already got the socket wrench on there. You need a 13 to take those bolts off. We're gonna have to cut a hole in the side of here, and they actually supply a little tool for you to be able to do that, so that the bar actually fits through the rubber seal. And then we have a similar setup on the other side. So this bar goes like so and slots into the brackets like that. So we're going to be taking this apart, and should be a pretty quick job. I think we'll be able to get this done in a few minutes. Pretty good. So it does come with this tool here for you to punch a hole into the side of the rubber. Just need a hammer and a piece of wood to put the rubber off. So we're going to take this off, and this comes off pretty easy. You just pull it up. We're going to take this off, and we've marked a couple places that we're going to punch a hole. We're going to use this real quick and just punch the hole so we can stick the strut brace through. So last night we fitted the NM Engineering strut brace. As you can see, it's fairly clean installation. You create these holes inside the rubber seal, and it just takes a couple bolts that you take out, and they send you replacement bolts, and then it screws on here, and you just adjust the length of this to make it fit on the strut. Same thing on this side. So I could probably adjust this to make it more even on both sides, and we'll do that in a couple days. It's not a big deal. I do feel a slight difference in how the car handles. You have a little more steering feel, and when you throw it into a corner, you have a little more grip. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.